I am calm and relaxed in all situations. My muscles are relaxed. My tension is melting away. I am relaxed and calm.
I am comfortable around other people. I am thankful and grateful for the good in my life. Calmness washes over me with every deep breath I take. I am releasing all negative emotions from my system. I deserve a peaceful and loving life. I am breathing slowly and deeply, filling myself with calmness. I am letting go of all my worries and fears. I deserve happiness and joy. I am calm and at ease. I surround myself with peace and pleasant emotions. I choose to move my focus on happy experiences. Despite how I feel, I understand this feeling and situation are temporary. Serenity, tranquility, and other pleasurable emotions engulf my being. My thoughts are slowing down. My breathing is anchored from within my core, and this breathing is relaxing to my body and mind. As my body and mind become more relaxed, I can problem solve more effectively. I am reclaiming my power. I am naturally stress-free. I am letting go of my worries. I am in control of my life. I am a positive person who attracts positive things into my life. I am equipped to handle this situation effectively. This situation will pass, so I choose to deal with it calmly. I trust my intuition and I am always guided to make wise decisions. My peace is my power. Today, and every day, I choose joy.